So this is the drive axis for one of the robotic arms on the daVINCI machine. This is the actual part. It's made out of several pieces with additive manufacturing. So you have the coupling, you have the axle, two bearings, and the housing. And this goes onto this Omron and Apex assembly here. So what we did was, for the second generation, we have the same motor, which is an R88 from Omron, and the gearbox from Apex. And what we did was we shortened it. So if you look, the distance between the pulley and the wall is the same as here, but we were able to incorporate the gearbox into the structure. So now it's mounted here. We gained 17 centimeters behind to add more systems. And now the pulley is supported on both sides by bearings. So in keeping with our modular design philosophy, anytime we need to replace this, it'll be replaced already with the second generation. Everything is backwards compatible, and we respected all the mounting points and distances.